prononciation, elle te reprend comme ça à l'oral. J'avais envie de me prendre, mais en fait, j'ai eu une bonne note, tant mieux. Et l'italien, on a fait
Hi, I'm Kelly at Book and Paper Arts, and I have missed posting the last 2 Fridays because I've been in France. I was very hectic getting out the door, so I didn't have time to make a heads-up video, but I'm making one now. So for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be posting occasional, a little bit of virtual sightseeing, some old churches from the 11th, 12th century. I'll also be doing a little bit of flea marketing and showing what I'm finding, the old books, the old paper, and old whatnot. Be doing some illustrated journal, travel journal, process videos, show the techniques that I use when I'm on the road. Food. Does anybody want to see food? So please stay tuned. I'll be back soon. A bientôt.